Hi folks, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning and I've already been out for a lovely walk and watched the sun come up. I thought I'd keep it simple today since I had the day off all to myself, and we're gonna make some Raisin Bran Muffins. Before we get cooking our muffins, we're gonna wanna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We want it ready and hot when we're ready. This is a really good recipe that goes very well with a nice cup of coffee. So to start, we're going to soak our wheat bran in our milk. We want 1.5 cups of wheat bran. Then we're going to add a full cup of milk, and we're going to let the milk soak in the wheat bran off to the side. Now the next part of our recipe, we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, put them in your bowl. You're going to add 1/3 of a cup of just vegetable oil. And 1 farm fresh egg. We actually, these are from our chickens on our property. And to this, you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Once you have that mixed, take your bran and your milk that's been soaking and just pour it into here. And stir these two together. And now to our bran mixture, we're going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 level cup of all-purpose flour. Put it in the bowl. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Toss that in there. You only want to mix this until it's mixed. You don't want to over mix it, otherwise you'll make tough muffins. That looks great. Now's a good time to add the raisins. You can add as many as you like. I'm not going to put too many in because I'm not a huge fan of them, but I'm not the only one that's going to be eating these muffins. And I think that's perfect. Now I'm going to spoon our bran mixture into our muffin cups. So I have these cute little tin muffin cups here and some paper liners. This recipe takes about, I would say, if you have smaller muffins, they take about 1.5 dozen. If you like them a bit bigger, then they'll be about 1 dozen. These ones are going to be sort of a mid-size, so it'll be a surprise how many we get today, I think. Well, folks, thank you very much for watching this episode. I had a great time doing it with you. I always have a great time doing these episodes with you. I really hope you try these bran muffins at home. They're very simple. They're nothing fancy, but they're very nice on a quick morning with a cup of coffee. They're great. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Please like this video if you liked it. If you'd like to see more content, please subscribe. That would be very, very nice. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.